This sort of damage on a tree. It looks as though it's been literally ripped round. That's pretty fresh, so I'm guessing it's from the other day, but it's all twisted. And it's still sort of standing-ish. But yeah, usually they snap in half rather than just sort of twist it from the inside. It's almost implosion. It's insane.